Hello, everybody. I need to recognize that this Coursier tool is quite helpful. It's, it's very helpful. In here, when I was adding Scala support to our existing NVIDIA configuration, I was like saying that I wanted all, without Coursier, but actually, it's today I found out while trying another editor, Helix. Where is it? Ah, yeah, over here. Helix. I found out that Coursier actually make it um, very easy. You just need to use Coursier install metals, and it is enough. And I did it, and look at this. It is working now, and now within Helix. I'm not using NB in this video, but I'm not sure. I probably will end using Visual Studio Code. But in here, I'm going to delete another key here in this D instead of X. And there you go to insert mode and press the dot, and you get your suggestions, which is what I was looking for. It's one of the things I'm looking for in a text editor. Well, enhanced text editor. I don't mean Notepad or something like that. In order to write code. So yeah, go back to here. And also, all of this comes from metal, so you get the things that you expect. Where is this? Where do we have a list? Actions. There's this. You have actions, match, case, and then you have your the suggestions, which is very good. Now I will try to continue to explore this editor to see if I will use it or if I will use Visual Studio Code or NVIDIA, or I don't know. Well, it closes this automatically. So yeah, Coursier, use it if you want to make your life easy within the Scala world. Thank you very much. Bye.